Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Word and the audio ready. Open a blank document and confirm language settings so spelling and punctuation match. Once done, enable Dictate or Transcribe in the Home ribbon. This begins the capture. Make sure your microphone permissions are granted to Word and choose the audio source, live mic for recording or upload for a file. You'll want headphones and a quiet room. This reduces background noise and makes the automated output cleaner and easier to edit. Now run the tool. Choose Dictate for live speaking or Transcribe and Upload for pre-recorded audio and press Start. As Word populates text, skim for misheard words and add speaker labels or timestamps. This helps later review. Pause after 30-60 seconds when accuracy drops, correct phrases, then resume. Frequent short edits prevent massive rework. If you're transcribing long files, process in chunks and save snapshots every 5-10 minutes, so you can revert easily if something goes wrong. Finish by carefully editing the transcript while replaying the audio. Listen for homophones and punctuation that change meaning. Apply styles for speaker names, tighten paragraphs, and run find/replace for repeated mistakes. This speeds cleanup. Once tidy, save and export as docx or txd for sharing or archiving. If words still sound wrong, rerun Transcribe on those short segments rather than the whole file. This targeted approach fixes stubborn errors without losing your overall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.